Stop what you're doing. You work hard for your money, so why are you letting Amazon trick you into overpaying for everyday items? I've found 10 secret search terms that unlock the exact same products for a fraction of the price. Let's expose them. First, you want a cool, modern, floating acrylic frame. Looks great, but it's $22 for one. No thanks. Here's the secret. Search for acrylic sign holder. It's what restaurants use for menus. Boom! A pack of 6 for $17. That's less than $3 each. They are identical. Number 2. You want one of those beautiful washable Boho rugs, which can cost over $100. Don't buy it. Build it. First, search for interlocking foam floor mats. Then, a non-slip rug pad. Finally, the magic touch, a beautiful chenille throw blanket. The whole thing costs under $60 and you have a custom, super soft, fully washable rug for half the price. Number 3, for all my makeup fans, you need a travel case for your brushes, so you search makeup brush holder, and you find these for $23. The hack? Search for electronics organizer. The elastic loops are perfect for brushes. The mesh pockets fit your palettes. It's the same thing, but for $14, because it's marketed to tech guys, not us. Secret's out. Number 4, dental floss picks. We use them every day. You buy this bag from a big brand for nearly $6. That's 4 cents per pick. But watch this. The secret keyword is bulk. 1,000 picks for $13. That's just 1 cent a pick. You're paying 3 times more for a fancy plastic bag. Don't do it. Number 5. Okay, this one is wild. You want one of those super trendy, low-profile lounge sofas for $300. The secret? Search for a human-sized dog bed. I am not kidding. These giant, plushy beds are designed to be furniture, and they are ridiculously comfortable. You get the same lazy sofa vibe for $90. And honestly, who's gonna know? Number 6. Want some unique custom wall art for over $50? We're making our own for under $20. The secret isn't the art, it's the frame. First, search for a simple black wooden serving tray. That's your canvas for $10. Now for the fun part. Instead of wall art, search for Rattan coasters. You can get a whole set for $8. A little bit of glue, and boom, instant textured art for the third of the price. Number 7. Want one of those super comfy beanbag chairs for over $100? Don't do it. The secret is to buy the 2 parts separately. First, search for beanbag filler for $15. Then search for a beanbag chair cover for $25. Fill it up, and for $40, you have the exact same chair. It's that simple. Number 8. You want that spa vibe at home with a beautiful Aroma crystal diffuser for $35? We can do better. The secret? Search for bulk lava rocks. Yeah, the stuff they use in grills. You get a massive bag for $15. Put them in any glass jar, spray your favorite perfume, and you've made 5 of these for less than half the price of one. Okay, let's talk curtains. Finding the perfect curtain panel can be impossible, and the single nice one like this can cost you $40. But the biggest secret is, you don't need to buy a curtain at all. Just search for fabric by the yard. Find a pattern you absolutely love. I found this awesome striped canvas for just $13 a yard. Now here's the magic part. Don't worry about sewing. Just search for curtain rings with clips. You can get a pack of 40 of these for $9. Just clip them onto the top of your fabric, slide them onto a rod, and for a total of $22, you have a completely custom no-sew curtain that's exactly your style. And for the grand finale, the one that started it all. You've seen the modular tofu block sofas for $250 or more. Here's how to make one for under $60. First, search for high-density upholstery foam for $35. Then search for a stretch ottoman slipcover for $20. Put the cover on the foam, and that's it. You have a perfect, custom, super comfortable modular sofa piece. You just beat the system. So there you have it. If you enjoyed these hacks, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving secrets. Let me know in the comments which one shocked you the most. See you next time.